But this God that we are pretending to treating as if it's not God is the God that will cause earthquake very soon. There's going to be a serious earthquake in Nigeria. Not only in Nigeria, it will shake the generation. And many people scared will be lifted like the skirts. And we see a lot of kokro. There's going to be a serious shaking. God will do it, will shock everybody. The word Trump told Tinubu so look at the rocky kid so that's nothing. That's a child's play. That's nothing, that's like introduction. God is coming. God is what? Coming. When God told them that a son is going to be born, that son, the mother will not be impregnated by a mortal man. People thought this was a joke. 100 years, 200 years, 300 years, 400 years, about 400 to 500 years, when they really came to pass, say, what kind of thing is this? When God said it's going to rain, and they never see rain before, they said, will it be rain? And I was describing what he saw in the Revelation. He said, you are a drunk. Quiet the sound, please. He said, you are a drunk. You should drink. He said, no, I saw it. I saw water falling from the sky. They've seen rivers before, but they've never experienced what? Rain. Yeah. So when you tell people that something strange is about to happen, they'll say, what kind of thing is that? This kind of we hear and where? An earthquake is coming. Literal physical earthquake will so happen in Nigeria. No, to say it has never happened. It's not a trauma. Serious earthquake. You shake everything. Many men, their testicle will run inside. It's the devil never. God will show some very terrible signs. So go and whistles because the time is no more. Is somebody hearing me? Yes,